Hello, this is Emily with Ghetto Brow Bar. Today I am going to be showing you how to use the PHI app, whether that be on your phone, a tablet. Using the PHI app helps you check for symmetry and helps you see exactly what the client is seeing. Sometimes when we are looking at the client face to face, we cannot see some things that they can see. The PHI app gives us a different perspective and we can actually see exactly what it is that they're looking at through their own eyes. So, first thing you want to do when you take the client's picture on the PHI app is get all the lines out of your way. So, I'm just going to push all the lines all the way up, that way I can see her face, and so that these lines don't confuse me. Now the second thing you want to do is zoom all the way in, so that way it is just eyes and eyebrows, nothing else. Eyes and eyebrows. All right. So next step is you want to grab the white line from the bottom. Wrong line. Grab the white line and bring it all the way down to her waterline. So you want to place it right where her waterline and her lashes meet. Now, if your picture looks a little bit tilted like this, you will grab one of the circles from the left or right side. You're going to grab one side and you're going to adjust your picture. So now I'm going to adjust my white line. You're going to adjust your picture to make sure the waterline is on that white line on both eyes. Perfect. All right. Next step is we are going to adjust the red line in the center. So what I like to do is I grab one black line. Once you grab one side, one line, the other one moves with it. So what I like to do is place one black line on the tear duct, and I want to make sure that the black lines are right on the tear ducts of both eyes. So now I can see that um, both black lines meet the tear duct. The left side is a little bit off, but it's okay. So I can see that both lines, the left and right black lines, are on the client's tear ducts. So the red line that's in the middle tells me where the center of her face is. So now what I like to do is I like to drag one black line and the other one will move. I like to drag it all the way to the front to make sure that both eyebrows start in the same spot. So as you can see, her left side, her left eyebrow needs to come in a little bit more. This is something I'll adjust. It is just millimeters. I'll still adjust it because I can tell it's a little bit of a difference. So that's something I will have to adjust, and this is something that I wasn't able to see with my own eyes, but the PHI app helps me see the difference between the two. So now checking the rest of the eyebrow, I like to start at the highest point all the way to the lowest. So I like to start at the arch. So I'm going to grab one black line and bring it all the way to the arches. So I placed the black line on the arches and I can see that both eyebrows meet. So now I'm going to check the front of the eyebrows to make sure that they are both at the same level. And I can see that they both meet at the same spot. I am obviously going to fill in the left one a little bit more, but as long as I have the same height of both brows. So now I'm going to check the bottom of the beginning of the brow, and I can see that they're both on the same spot. They both meet. So now I am going to check the bottom arch of the eyebrows. And scoot my lines all the way a little bit up higher so I can see that both bottom arches meet at the same spot as well. And now let's check the tails. All right, so the tails are a little bit more farther from the picture. As long as if you can see both tails are on the black line, you know that they are both symmetrical and the same length. So if all points of your eyebrows meet at the same spot, this is how you know you have ensured symmetry.